अनदर गुड क्वेश्चन, आज काफ़ी अच्छे अच्छे क्वेश्चन आ रहे हैं, ठीक है। तो द क्वेश्चन इज ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन ऑफ log base nm equal to 2, okay, for 448 values, okay. So what should be the thought process in this, okay. So greatest integer function लगा है बाहर, ठीक है, and we need 2, okay. So all values from 2 to 2 to the 2.99 and dot will give me this, okay. So think what kind of numbers can come inside, okay. So like if you think normal, like if it is 5 square we have, if and log 5 we have base, okay. So in this value we'll get 2, just a random number I thought, okay. Log a by b can be written, so we'll get 2, okay. Now if we keep on increasing 1 2 3 values, it won't change, okay. But as soon as we reach 5 cube, then what number will be getting? We'll be getting 3, okay. So what have you thought as of now? So all the number from the bases square to just one less number to its cube will lie in this range, okay. Think again, I'm explaining it again. Very good question this is, okay. So what I said, log base m n, okay. So like if I take a number, any random number, 5 I take as a base, okay. So if we have 5 over here, then we'll get value 1. If we have 5 square, then we'll get value 2, okay. And one more value if increase, if we take 26, then also we'll get 2.xx. So when we apply GIF, we'll get again 2, okay. So again it will go on. So till when we'll be getting 2 only, till the time we get a cube, okay. As soon as this becomes 5 cube, the value will be 2, okay. So all values from the perfect square, basis square, or perfect square or leave square to one lesser value of its cube will give us this, okay. So now nothing is there in this question, just think, okay. This much only was in this question to think, okay. So let us start. Just write, now from here you can do hidden trial. Just write the number, its square and its cube, okay. Now see the question. The question is 448 values. So the difference between the one lesser number of the cube and its square, whichever gives is the answer, okay. So 1 if we see, 1 clearly won't. 2 if we see, it will be 4 and 8. We won't get 448 values in between them, so gone. 3 also we know that 9 and 27 gone, no need to check. 4 if we see, it is 4, 16 and 64, no need to check. 5 if we see, 25 and 125, this will be 100 value, no need to check. 6 if we see, 36 and 206, clearly this isn't crossing only, no need to check. 7 if we see, 49 and 343, 448 values we know this won't even come, okay. So if we see 8, this is 64 and 512, okay. So one lesser value than its cube, 511, subtract 64, okay. We did a mistake, I guess, anywhere. That will give us, okay. Okay, so let us see. 8 square 64 and 8 cube is 512. So this is 7, this is 3, this is 4 only, and 447, okay. So we have to include 64 as well, my bad. So this one will also be added. So 448 values. So bingo, we got. So our base is what? 8, and here it will be till square to one lesser value, so it will be till 511. So our answer is 8. So 8 is the answer to this question. A very good question.